Deck 15 on the MSC Meraviglia. Here is a lunch walk through Marketplace Buffet. This cruise line is doing its maiden sail out of Brooklyn, New York City. The cruise line was created in Naples, Italia. They're currently based out of Geneva, Switzerland, and this is what they are known for, having their own mozzarella pizza. People rave about their pizza. There is a look of pizza options. Grab your own plate, knife and fork, but there are no trays. So if you're a person who likes a food tray, do bring your own. Hamburgers and hot dogs. Now when it comes to a veggie burger, do ask. They'll make them. We are on the private island in the Bahamas. And that is why it is not particularly crowded. Right now, people are on the island. Lots and lots and lots of food options. Now, what about if you are vegetarian? There's been so much food out. I have eaten vegetarian since the day I stepped on the ship. And then once you fill up your tray, desserts, desserts, desserts. And for you first-time cruisers, the desserts are all included, as well as coffee, tea, milk. And there is a look of the private island and the infamous lighthouse. So that's why there is not a very large queue at the lunch station. One of the things I do like is marketing. Their coffee cups all have MSC Mediterranean Shipping Company was the original name. And you can refill your water, juice, pineapple, iced tea. I'll walk you just a little bit further, although you'll see some of the same exact foods when we get back to this point. But when it's, actually that was my favorite cheese, the Swiss cheese, which would make sense. They're now based out of Geneva. It's what they are known for doing is mozzarella, but I gotta give it up for the Swiss. It was my favorite. When you come to the back of the ship, if they are between meals and you've missed breakfast or you just want some yogurt, come to the back of the ship and you'll see what they had as far as between meals. So you're getting to see breakfast as well as lunch. Now my tip for dining, because this is further towards the back of the MSC Meraviglia, Deck 15. On sail away day, nobody wanted to walk all the way out here. When I left Brooklyn, New York, I had this space almost completely to myself. Statue of Liberty was where that little island is. And that's a perfect way to explain the Bahamas. Bahamas is made up of a collection of many islands. Not all of them are inhabited by people, but it makes up quite a collection. Now, my Bahamas attire on. Much love to the islands and the people of the Bahamas. Now it's time to explore. This was the Bimini Islands, was industrial location, and now it has been made into a luxurious day at the beach. All right, till next time, that is a lunch walk through MSC Cruises. Till next time, keep exploring.